Hey you guys, it's your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel, and I am doing a unboxing. I ordered 2 fragrances from Dua, and we're going to unbox them together. So to see the 2 fragrances I purchased, keep on watching. So before we get into the Dua haul, I'm gonna show you guys my fragrance of the night. I'm just getting in from my goddaughter's birthday dinner, and I smell good. I still smell myself. So I'm going to show you guys my scent combo. So first I have on Free as a flower, and y'all know this is a dupe or one of the dupes for YSL Libre. So the notes on this is wild orange flower, bright lavender, and creamy vetiver. So I have on this, and I paired it with pink obsessed. So the notes on this is blushing jasmine, cashmere praline, and vanilla bourbon. So y'all know this is supposed to be a dupe for, I think, the Valentino Born Aroma. So I have both fragrances here. After I put on the mist, I definitely layered with the actual perfumes. Not too much on the perfume, but I did heavy spray both of these, and I smell so good. And I also have Free as a Flowers body cream. So I put that on as well. As y'all can see, I am obsessed with pink obsessed, okay? The dent is denting, okay? Yeah, so this is my scent combo, and I smell bomb. And I believe all things Ari here on YouTube, she mentioned a bunch of layering combos for Free as a Flower, and this was one of them. So shout out to you, girl. 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. All right, so here is my Dua package. Like I said, I purchased 2 fragrances. I believe I took advantage of one of them sales they be having. So y'all know if y'all sign up for their email list, they always doing something. Now, one of the fragrances is what I purchased for 4 in the 10 mil, and I absolutely had to have it, okay? So they must have heard y'all, because now these suckers come like protected, okay? They don't want no smoke from us in the comments, okay? So the actual dust bag, I guess they don't do the boxes anymore, which is fine. As long as my shit ain't broke, I don't care. So the first one I pulled out is Love Bound. Y'all know this is the their version of Rolling in Love by Killian. Y'all know how I was obsessed with this fragrance when I first got the little 10 mil, and I had to have a bigger bottle. So here we go. I'm gonna spray. Look at me. Oh yes, spray her out a little bit. If y'all do not have Rolling in Love or Love Bound, listen, please get into it. I got so many compliments when oh my God, when I wear this fragrance. It is just so freaking good. So I will put the notes of Love Bound on the screen. It's just a nice, sweet, sexy. You can wear this all season, like date nights, day dates, brunch, a concert, like out to dinner with your boo, somewhere that you know you're just gonna be close and snuggly, so he can just smell you and you just smell so good. This is what it's giving. So I absolutely recommend Love Bound, and I did get this on sale. I wonder if they put the sale price on my receipt. They did not. Okay, but I definitely got her on the something percent off on all Dua fragrances. Y'all, this smells amazing. Ooh, yes, ma'am. Yes, girl. So again, if you're looking for a fragrance that's a safe blind buy, this will definitely be the perfect blind buy. All right, now let's get into the second fragrance, also wrapped to perfection, which we love to see. And this is called Casino Royal Nights. So I did have Casino Royal Nights Cotton Candy or something like that. That was a good one too, but I wanted to try something that was a little more different, but still in that family. I was about to say Baccarat. Extreme. Listen, I'm gonna put it across the stream. Y'all know I just be getting shit, okay? So let me spray this one. It's my first time smelling this one. Ooh. Now, did I need another Baccarat dupe? No. Do I own Baccarat? No. Have I ever smelled the actual real Baccarat? No. But to me, all of these that are supposed to be dupes in the same DNA as Baccarat, they all smell the same. So I believe that Baccarat smells like this, which is amazing. This smells so good. This has more of a, like a sweet, peppery after smell, but this one to me is more sweeter. So that's probably why, because it's the next version of Baccarat. But she smells really, really good. It's another one that's good for date night, good for brunch, concerts, girls' day. This is another good one. Oh, I cannot wait to wear her on my skin, okay? Like I said, I still have on my fragrance from earlier, so I'm not going to put it on my skin today. But y'all, oh my God, this smells so good. I am very, very, very happy with both of my purchases from Dua. Now, so my girl, Vania McHale, she does amazing Dua hauls, and she goes through these fragrances like it's nobody's business. I'm still learning how to shop on Dua's website. I only go in there when I know I want to find a dupe for something. Like I wanted to actually purchase the Father Figure, the Fleur, the dupe, their version of Father Figure. But I don't know. I don't know why I didn't do it. I just wasn't, it didn't feel like it was going to be a safe buy for me because I think I smelled Father Figure like that one time and it wasn't like something that I kept dreaming about. So I feel like I didn't need to revisit it. But the next Dua sale, I think I'm going to go ahead and get her. I think I'm going ahead and get her and add her to my Dua collection. Okay, you guys, y'all know how I do. Videos nice, short and sweet, and straight to the point. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you own these fragrances in your collection, let me know. And let me know what layering combos you guys are doing with these. As always, thank you for watching. What's up to my new subscribers and what up to my OGs? Y'all already know it's good. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.